Chapter 14. Importance of Discipline in Life. Learning Objectives. 1. Valuing the importance of discipline. 2. Discipline makes a child successful. Warm up. Match the smile, sad faces below to the good and bad manners given that you think to suit the images perfectly. Run in the classroom. Not saying hello. Say I am sorry. Say thank you. Say goodbye. Use a loud voice. Say you're welcome. Throw rubbish. Discipline is very important in life. Before starting the chapter, teacher will discuss with the students what is discipline and why we must follow it in our life. Let's read the chapter. Amit's teacher has appointed Amit as the discipline in charge of his class, and he takes his responsibility very seriously. Let us find out what happens. Amit enters his house. Mother, I am the new discipline in charge of my class. Is not that wonderful? Mother, that's very good. Congratulations. Father enters the room. I heard that. It's great. Congrats, son. Amit, thank you, Mom and Dad. The teacher spoke to me about my duties. I have to make sure that all the students of my class obey the rules of the school and maintain silence when a teacher is not there in the class. I also have to see that they move quietly in a lane while going to the playground, computer lab, or music lab. Father, I am sure you will be able to work and do your duty in a responsible manner. Amit, well, I will try my best. If we maintain proper discipline, there are chances that our class might pick up the trophy for being the most well-disciplined class in the school in the coming month. Mother, oh yes, you can certainly win the trophy. Amit, but a few boys and girls in our class make a lot of noise. Dad, how can I help them to improve? Father, well, that reminds me a talk by my favorite teacher on discipline. Amit, please tell me all that he said about discipline. Father, Amit, first you must understand the real meaning of discipline. He said that we must try to understand that discipline is adjustment. It must be based on care and affection. Initially, we must try to find what's the reason of indiscipline. Without knowing the details, the problem of discipline cannot be solved. Discipline cannot be based on fear. Amit, all that your great teacher said is so true. There is a boy in my class, Nitin, who always talks when teacher is not there. I just don't know what to do. Father, you can request the teacher to let him sit in the front row. Probably he wants more attention from the teacher and your work will also become easier. Amit, Dad, I will talk to my classmates and tell them that if we maintain discipline, all the teachers will praise us and we can study well. Father, you all will be able to concentrate better and it will build up your confidence. Amit, I will try to make them understand that we should aim to win the trophy for being the most disciplined class in school. Mother, the teachers and parents will feel happy if the children are disciplined. Father, moreover, remember what my teacher said. He believed that when students leave school, They should be real human beings with consideration and intelligence who can look at everything without any fear. They should be able to fit into a society. Amit: I will remember all that and do my work sincerely as a discipline in charge. After 1 month, Amit: Mom, I'm really happy today. Something wonderful happened. Guess what? Mother: I have no clue. What's the matter? Father: I am sure you have done well in studies or as the discipline in charge. Amit: Yes, my class 5A won the trophy for most well-disciplined class. Father and Mother: Congratulations! We are so proud of you. Find meaning. Appointed, selected. Initially, at first. Discipline: the practice of training people to obey rules or a code of behavior. Responsibility: something that is your job or duty to deal with. Praise: admire. Consideration: careful thought. Exercises: creative expression. Tell your story. Have you ever become the monitor or prefect or participated in any kind of activity which you were leading? Share the story with your classmates. Learning by doing. 1. Who had been appointed as the discipline in charge? Answer: Amit was appointed as the discipline in charge. 2. Who made a lot of noise in Amit's class? Answer: Nitin made a lot of noise in Amit's class. Critical thinking. Let's make paper fortune teller. Material: square paper, some colorful pens. Steps: take an 8.5 into 11 inches sheet of paper. Fold corner up till it meets the other side. Fold the other corner up till it meets the other side, then cut off the rectangle at the top. Unfold it and place its printed side down. You should now have an 8.5 into 8.5 piece. Fold up all 4 corners so that the points meet in the middle. It should now look like this. Flip it over. Fold up all 4 corners so that the points meet in the middle. It should now look like this. Now fold the top back. Work your fingers into the 4 corners from the fold side. Logical decision making. Imagine you were Amit. You were appointed as the class monitor. But you were having some trouble with some of the students in the class as they were naughty and loud. How would you manage? What would you do to keep them calm and disciplined? Write your answers in your notebook. Exercise time. Answer the following questions. 1. Why were Amit's parents happy? Answer: Amit's parents were overjoyed because he had been appointed as the class discipline officer. 2. Whose views on discipline were expressed by Amit's father? Answer: Amit's favorite teacher's view on discipline was expressed by Amit's father. 3. Where must we follow the discipline during school hours? Answer: we should follow discipline during the entire school day. 4. How could Nitin be disciplined according to Amit's father? Answer: Amit's father asked Amit to request the teacher let Nitin sit in the front row. Find their meaning. 1. Maintain, enable a condition to continue. 2. Concentrate, focus. 3. Confidence, belief. 4. Remember, recall. 5. In charge, monitor. Fill in the blanks. 1. Amit's parents were happy when he was made the discipline in charge. 2. Amit had to make sure that when the teacher was not there, the students of his class were disciplined. 3. Discipline is important in our life. 4. At the end, Amit's class won trophy. Take the right options. 1. Discipline must be based on A. Care, B. Affection, C. Both A and B. Answer: both A and B. 2. What should be done initially? A. Scold children who are undisciplined. B. Find out the reason for indiscipline. C. None of the above. Answer: find out the reason for indiscipline. 3. Discipline cannot be based on A. Love, B. Care, C. Fear. Answer: C. Fear. Match the following: school, trophy, family. Conceptual understanding. Tell your story. Write T for true and F for false statements. 1. Amit was very indisciplined boy. False. 2. His parents felt proud of him. True. 3. Amit's father gave him a piece of good advice. True. 4. Nathan always talked in the class. True. 5. We all must follow discipline in our life. True. Think and answer. According to Amit's father, when students left school, they should be real human beings with consideration and intelligence, who can look at everything without any fear. Do you think so? Why? Communication, writing skills, self-discipline leads to success. Write a short speech on this topic. Write your everyday self-discipline routine. How would you polish yourself every day? Reading skills. Read the sentences and answer the questions that follow. 1. That's very good. Congratulations. A. Who said these words to whom? B. Why did the speaker congratulate? 2. Oh yes, you can certainly win the trophy. A. Who said these words to whom? B. Who can certainly win the trophy? C. In which occasion the trophy can be won? Listening and speaking skills. Read the quote given below and discuss why perseverance is important in our life. Perseverance is strength in every sphere of endeavor. People who continue to make steady efforts win out in the end. When you hit a wall, challenge yourself with a dauntless spirit. Daisaku Ikeda. Let's learn spellings. Read this sentence. That reminds me a talk by my favorite teacher on discipline. Many English words are spelt differently by British and American speakers. In the above sentence, the spelling of favorite is British. In American English, the word is spelled as favorite. Look up these words in your dictionary to check if the spelling given on the left is British or American. Tick the correct column and then write the other spelling. Let's learn grammar. Kinds of adverbs. Adverbs may be divided into 8 parts according to their meaning. 1. Interrogative adverb. Why, where, how, etc. 2. Adverb of affirmation. Surely, certainly, etc. 3. Adverbs of time. Now, before, after, soon, today, etc. 4. adverbs of frequency. Once, seldom, often, twice, etc. 5. Adverbs of reason. Hence, therefore, so, etc. 6. Adverbs of place. Anywhere, next, every, etc. 7. Adverbs of manner. Clearly, bravely, well, etc. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. 1. He hardly makes mistakes. 2. I think you are partly right. 3. This story is well written. 4. I can delightfully believe on him. 5. The mangoes are often ripe. 6. Ajay reads almost clearly. 7. The horse galloped away. 8. The weather is quite hot today. Fill in the blanks with adverbs. 1. The medicine tasted me very well. 2. These flowers smell sweetly. 3. I was really impressed by her work. 4. He looked at me angrily. Vocabulary time. Choose 2 synonyms from the box for each word. 1. Seriously, gravely, earnestly. 2. Wonderful, marvelous, magnificent. 3. Attention, consciousness, awareness. 4. Praise, admire, applaud. 5. Confidence, self-assurance, trust.